gram seed है बोल रहा है, ये क्या है? These all are seeds. These all are seeds. Different varieties of seeds, right? So today we are going to learn that how seeds will germinate. So seed germination. What we are going to learn?
Seed germination.
First thing you have to know. What is what? Seed germination. Germination, it is a process by which a plant grows from a seed. What we can do? First we can take the dry seed into activities. First we can take dry seeds. Okay. After taking dry seed, what are different varieties of seeds? See, these are the pea seeds. These are what seeds? Which seed? Yes, this one is pea seed. And this one? Can you identify this one? What is this? This wheat. Okay. Means I have taken both the varieties, dicot and monocot. Later on I will say. First, what we will do, that first dry seeds, what? First we will take the dry seeds and then we will add water in it. क्या देंगे?
Water.
After giving water, whole night we will keep. Then we will find that seeds will swell. Seeds will
Swell.
Okay. This side also you can see seeds has been swell, isn't it? Okay. Then after this, after keeping it for 2 days, we can see small germination has been started. ठीक है? Germination start होने के लिए again we have to remove water from it. जब हम इसका पानी हटा देंगे तभी इसका germination शुरू होगा. ठीक है? Same process is applied for all the seeds. See how many varieties of seeds I have kept over here. Okay? Now, what the stages? First stage, just now I told what? Imbibition. The seeds absorb water and causing it to swell. First वो क्या हो जाएगा? सूख जाएगा. Swell. देखा ना? पहले देखो ये वाला चना बिल्कुल पिचका हुआ है और इसमें क्या हुआ? पानी को absorb करके ये swell हो गया. After that what happened? Activation. Enzymes which is stored inside these seeds, they will break down the stored nutrients. They become activated. When they will become activated? When they will absorb water. Then, after some days, first we can see this radicle. Here you can see radicle emerge. See radicle emerges. Right? So radicle emerges and after that what happened? After 2-3 days we can see shoot emerges. नीचे से root, ऊपर से shoot emerges. Then we can see seed pod cracked. Seed pod खुल रहा है. Seed pod cracked. इनको seed pod crack हुआ तभी तो ये निकल रहा है. Root and shoot, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see. So here, then you can see seedling established. जब हम इस seedling को अभी बाहर जाकर अगर देखें, देखो यहाँ different varieties of seeds है. इस सबको अगर हम बाहर रख दें तो क्या होगा? It will become a plant. It will become a plant. So for this, many factors are also responsible. Like water is required, which is essential for germination. Then temperature. Temperature is also required. Without temperature also, the germination of the seed will be very slow. Right? Then light is required to germinate. Then last factor, oxygen. It is necessary for metabolic process. Now, 2 types of seed germination we can see. One is seed coat remains above the ground and other seed coat remains below the ground. किसी ने देखा है seed coat above the ground? कौन से पेड़ में देखा है? Beans में देखा है. Very good. Beans में देखा है. और hypogeum जिसमें seed coat remains below the ground? Peas में देखा है. और यहाँ पे भी है pea seeds. Pea seeds, see these are the pea seeds. अगर हम मटर का पेड़ लगाएं तो वो नीचे रहेगा. ठीक है? Then you can see here after that when we can see the seeds are. Please come here. You can see this is the seed, right? इस seed को हम खोलेंगे. क्या खोलेंगे? इसके seed को. एक मिनट मैं सबको दूंगी तब करोगे, कोई पास नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, तो ये सीड कोट क्या है, हम इसको धीरे से विद द हेल्प ऑफ फोर्स से वी विल ओपन द सीड कोट। सीड कोट ओपन होने के बाद देखो 2 cotyledons are present. How many cotyledons? 1 and 2. In the gram seed, 2 cotyledons are present, and cotyledons have got again one special function. What? They absorb the nutrients for the seed. Cotyledon will absorb the nutrients for the seed. They will help in photosynthesis, and they are only going to help to form the shoots, or they will help to form the leaves. Now, you can see here small seed. This is the pinnule region and this is the radical region which is growing. See, cotyledon development. You can see initial stage cotyledons are simple. You can see here cotyledons are very simple, and growth stage it expands and develop into veins and functional leaves. देखो ये growth stage में आ गया, growth stage में देखो ये functional leaves आ गए, ये roots आने लग गया। ठीक है, पूरा हमने देखा, ये तुम लोग को खोलना पड़ेगा। दिस एक्टिविटी यू हैव टू डू। नाउ व्हाई cotyledon is required? देखो cotyledon क्यों चाहिए? Importance of cotyledon: nutrient supply. Cotyledon provide nutrient and energy for early growth. Then seedling establishment. They aid in seedling establishment and survival. ये देख सकते हैं। Then we can see, just say one story of what? Seed germination. In this story हम बोल सकते हैं once upon a time a tiny seed. Once upon a time a tiny seed. We can name this seed as sprout, and we will keep this seed and it will sprout when warm, dark hole surrounded by soft earth and nourishes with water. Soil भी चाहिए, soft earth and nourishes with water. One day a gentle raindrop whispered. जैसे ही पानी उसमें गिरेगा तो क्या होगा, धीरे धीरे क्या, the sprouts, it will sprout and then it will plant in this environment. Okay, now I can show you the role play. Through role play you can even show this germination. How? Any boy who is interested to become gram seed, please come in front. Please, one by one. Who will become the seed? Just dry seed, please come. The dry seed first. Who will become dry seed? Please come. Okay. Here will become dry seed. You have drawn this? Very good. Please sit here. Next, please come. Please come and sit. Next. Please come next. Okay. Here you can see the germination of seed germination. So in the seed germination, this is the seed. You can see. Can you observe? This is the seed. See, bilkul dry, very dry. Please stand. This is seed. Who is he? Who is he? Seed. Then in this seed I have given water. क्या दे रही हूँ मैं? क्या दे रही हूँ? पानी. Water देने के बाद ये क्या होगा? Please come in front. इधर आ जाओ. हाँ, क्या होगा ये? देखो ये swell हो गया, फूल गया बिल्कुल. क्यों? उसमें क्या दे दिया मैंने? हाँ, पानी. Factors required. अब पानी देने के बाद हम एक दिन और बाद हम देखेंगे ये क्या हो गया. Seed को started cracking. फूलने लग गया, जर्मिनेशन स्टार्ट हो गया. ठीक है. देन हम क्या देखेंगे फिर? धीरे धीरे क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया? वेरी नाइस प्लांट. राइट. अब ये जो सीड कोट है, रेडिकल और प्रिम्यूल. एनीबडी हु कैन प्रिपेयर रेडिकल एंड प्रिम्यूल, प्लीज कम इन फ्रंट. आ जाओ. स्टैंड हियर. सी हियर. यू कैन सी हियर. जो इस स्टेज के बाद हम देखेंगे कि ये कॉटिलिडन है. कौन सा कॉटिलिडन? इस चने का कॉटिलिडन. देखो हमने एक्टिविटी किया ना, एक्टिविटी किया. ये दो कॉटिलिडन, ये दो कॉटिलिडन. हमने उसको बड़ा कर मॉडल बनाया. Who has prepared generate. From plumule, leaves generate. And from radicle, root generate. Right? Plumule, leaves will generate. Radicle, root will generate. That's why plumule is known as future root shoot. And radicle is known as future root. Okay? So these are the students of class 10 who have just done the role play of what? Seed germination. It's very nice. Now, regarding the seed germination, I have already told you a story. Told? Okay. As after story, I need that somebody should play the poem.
A tiny seed, so small and round, holds within it a light bulb. Dormant and still, it waits for the sun, burst forth and grow in its prime. A new life begins and a small miracle will be and be.
Very good, very nice. Next thing. Again, I told you all to prepare cartoon on seed germination. Right? Who has prepared? Oh, so many. Okay, please, you come first. Please come. See? अरे इसका तो बहुत सुंदर है. What is your name? Komal. Komal of class 10 has prepared seed germination cartoon book. You can see. So nicely written. I am a small seed. I am having fun slipping under the soil. I did not get favorable condition to grow, such as water. Hey, you have not grown yet. Look at me. I have a huge body. देखो ये प्लांट जो है कितना अच्छा डायग्राम ड्रॉ किया. ये प्लांट इस सीड को बोल रहे हैं. तो सीड उसने जवाब दिया कि मुझे फेवरेबल कंडीशन नहीं मिला. Now hurry. I got water after a long time. Now I can also grow. किसने बोला? Seed ने बोला. Isn't it? Okay. After that, please go through. हाँ क्या? Hey,
I am swelling after observing so much water. I am going to crush.
very good.
What is this structure that is growing out of me? Don't worry, little seed. It's a radical that will form a root. It happens with all the seeds that develops into a plant. Look, I am developing shoot. Yeah, soon you will develop leaves also and become fruit-bearing plant.
Very nice, very nice. Very good activity. Please go in your place. All of you can go in your place. So today we have learned seed germination. In the seed germination, very nice. This chart has been prepared. Model is also good. Activity is also done. Now you people have to do activity. After doing this activity, in the activity you have to open the way I have done. Right? And after that you have to do few question answer. Right? First question. What factors affect seed germination? What factors affect seed germination? Next, second, you write, what is the function of cotyledon? Okay? Tomorrow please show me. Okay.